Hello my dear students. So today we will be discussing about factorization. Factorizing a quadratic equation in which highest power is 2. So I have taken an example x square plus 4x plus 4. I will be factorizing this equation but by the help of an activity. In activity I have taken this color sheets, this Fevicol, marker, scale and scissor. So let's start with the activity. As you can see that we have three terms in this equation, x square, 4x and 4. So for x square I have taken big square of any length and I have assumed the length of this square is x centimeter. As you can see that coefficient of x square is 1. So I have taken only one square. And see the next term, we have 4x. See the coefficient of x now. For the coefficient of x, I have taken rectangle, but length must be same as the square, like x centimeter and x centimeter. Breadth you can take any. And now see the constant term. As you can see, the constant term is 4. So for the constant term, I have taken small squares of any length, any side. You can take any side, but you must remember that the side of this square is same as the breadth of this rectangle. So I have gathered all the things which are required for the activity. 4 rectangles, coefficient of x, 4 squares, constant term, 4 and 1 big square that is of coefficient of x square. So what I need to do is, I need to take all these 4 strips. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need, and these 4 small squares also, I need to arrange them in the form of a square so that a square is formed. If I arrange them like this, as you can see, it is forming a rectangle, and also if I put these small squares also, complete square is not formed. So I have to arrange them in the form of square only. So let's take these 2 rectangles on the upper side. So I am taking these 2 rectangles on the upper side, one this and one this, and 2 rectangles on the other side of the square. So as you can see that rectangles are arranged. If I put the squares, 4 squares on these sides, and if I paste these things as it is, a complete square is formed. So now I will be pasting these things as it is, because in this complete square is formed. Now as you can see that it is formed in the form of a square now. So now let's count the things which I have taken. So see this length, this is x. How many rectangles I have taken to this side? 2, x, 1 rectangle, other rectangle. So if we count x plus 1 plus 1. So factor of this side will be x plus 2. And now I have taken one side. Now let's see the another side. Here, as you know that this side is x. X counting to the square, 1 square, 2. So same, this side is x plus 2. So if we see the activity, the factors of this equation is area of the square, that is x plus 2 into x plus 2. That is side into side. Let's verify this. Let's split this term now. So if we start verifying this, if we split this 4x into the factors, because 4 factors, if we see 2x plus 2x. So by doing the factorization, x is common, x plus 2 plus 2 here is common, x plus 2. So as you can see, this factor is x plus 2 into x plus 2. Hence our activity is verified, and this is how we can perform this activity. We can solve factorization by the help of an activity. Thank you so much.